Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Tanya with Mind, Body, and Soul Company, and I make aromatherapy, bath, and beauty products. The recipe that I'm going to share today is for my warming muscle rub. It's a great rub to use on just anywhere you have a sore muscle. I especially like it for my hands and my feet. I have a little bit of arthritis in both, so really does help to take the edge off of them when they're sore. So I have my melting pot here, and to that I'm going to go ahead and add 2 ounces of coconut oil. Then 2 ounces of grapeseed oil. And lastly, 1 1/3 tablespoons of beeswax. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on a gentle heat, and then we'll be right back once it's melted. All right, so I have all of my oils and beeswax melted. And next I'm going to go ahead and just put in a teaspoon of arrowroot powder. This is a little bit of a oily kind of balm, so this just makes it a little less greasy. And I'm just going to give that a stir. Until it's thoroughly worked in, no more clumps or anything in there. Then I'm going to go ahead and add in my essential oil blend. Now for this I'm using black pepper essence, ginger, peppermint, and clove. So all of these are known for either their anti-inflammatory properties or helping with circulation, but they are kind of stronger oils. So it is something where you always want to be aware of usage rates. I usually run everything through the essential oil calculator on eocalc.com just to make sure everything's going to be at the right dose. So just going to give this a stir. And that website really is a great resource. I use it to check any of my products that I'm using essential oils in, just because, you know, it is something where they can be harmful in certain doses, so you want to make sure that you're using a proper amount. Okay. So I got that all combined together. And then next I'm just going to pour it into my little metal tin here. Now I do sterilize these before use, just because you don't know where they've been when they're being shipped. And then we'll just let that sit. It'll start to firm up, and then I'll come back and show you what it looks like after it's cold. And here's what the muscle rub looks like after it's cooled off. It definitely becomes more solid and takes on more of a balm consistency, but it's still really easy to spread on your skin. And besides being a great muscle rub, it also acts as a moisturizer, and it absorbs them pretty quickly, so you won't be left feeling greasy afterwards. If you do have any questions on today's video, just leave it in the comments below and I'll be sure to get back with you with an answer. And I hope you'll stick around and consider subscribing and come back for more videos. Until next time.